Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix sales tracking with Pipedrive, beginner guide step by step clearly. To fix sales tracking with Pipedrive, begin by logging into your Pipedrive account. Review your current sales pipeline setup. Identify any gaps or areas where data may be missing. Navigate to the Settings tab on the top right of the interface. In Settings, click on Pipelines under the Tools section. Here, you'll see your existing pipelines listed. Select the pipeline you want to edit. Assess each stage in your pipeline and ensure they accurately reflect your sales process. Add or remove stages as necessary to align with your sales strategy. Save your changes once you have made the necessary adjustments. Next, go to the Fields section in Settings. This area allows you to customize the data points for each stage. Add any custom fields that may help capture vital information. Ensure that mandatory fields are set for crucial data entry. Now, it's time to configure your data visualization. Visit the Reports tab located on the left sidebar. Choose the type of report you need to monitor sales performance. Customize report filters to suit your requirements. Select the time range and specific sales team members for analysis. Generate the report to assess your current sales performance. Set up automated notifications to keep your team informed. Visit the Activity section to monitor tasks and engagements. Create reminders for follow-ups to stay on top of your sales cycle. Lastly, review your sales progress regularly. Use the insights gained to make informed adjustments to your sales strategies. With these steps, you can optimize sales tracking in Pipedrive effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.